my billionaire family, welcome back to another blog. Welcome back. So I'm just coming back from post office. I ordered this item before the pandemic for about 5 months now. I think I ordered it March. Yes, March. I ordered it March, and it just got delivered on Monday. So today is Saturday. I just went and pick it now. I ordered 2 shoes. I was thinking that I'll use the shoe for my baby name, but now look at what happened. They are just sending it now. So I just want to quickly unbox it for you guys. Look at your prince, my baby. Look at him. So let me quickly unbox it, guys. I'm coming. So here is the shoes that I ordered, guys. Let's unbox it. Look at the package, guys. So I ordered it from AliExpress before the pandemic, and it's just coming now. Can you imagine? The shoe that I think I'll use for my baby name. But I like the way they package it. This is very solid, guys. Very solid. So let's see. Oh wow. Oh my god. Whoosh. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh wow. Let's see this. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so loving this. Look at that, guys. Oh god. Let me bring it close for you guys to see it very well. Look at that. Just look at that. Whew. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. So like this, like the third time or second time that I'm ordering from this company, and they've never disappointed me, guys. Like seriously. So look at the 2 shoes. I just love this so I'll be putting it on, and it comes with this hair rubber band. I like the way they package it. So let me open the second one. So let's move on to the second one. I hope this one is more beautiful as that one. But this one is just plain color, guys. It's the same package. Can you see that, guys? Let me bring it close for you guys to see. I just love the way they make their shoes. Just love the way they make their shoes, guys. Just look at that. AliExpress. The same thing like the other one. Just like that or down. The way they package their things. So guys, which one do you love among the shoe? Let me know at the comment section. But I love this one. I so much love this. But the two are so beautiful, guys. This is not black color, it's like army green. But in camera it's showing like black. But it's army green, guys. It's army green. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. So guys, please, I'm no longer needing the shoe. If you are interested in buying the shoe, please do let me know. You can send me message or DM me. You can just message me, DM me on Instagram, or you can call me. I'm no longer interested in the shoe, but I really love them. But where am I going to with newborn baby? Where am I going? But if you have big leg, because I'm using 42 43. If you have big leg like me, but without that I'm not sure it will enter somebody that have small leg. 43 44, that is the person that can wear it. So let me just end the blog here. I don't want it to be too long. All right guys, I will talk to you guys later. You did not see your children at home. Joseph and Clara, they went and greet grandma. My hubby come and pick them on Tuesday. Yes, he come and pick them on Tuesday. They are telling me they are missing their grandma, so they are in grandma place. It's only me and Joshua that is at home now. I'm really missing them. I've already tell my husband I should bring my children for me tomorrow. I beg. I'm missing my children. They should come back home. Let me see somebody that will be shouting on. Like seriously, I miss my children. They should bring my children for me. So guys, let me just end the blog here. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye. Bye. Our dad is sucking. Ay, yeah, 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 yeah. Joshua can eat. All right guys, I'll talk to you later in the next one. Bye.